We're rolling.
Okay guys, so the mount is going to be available at first in 40mm rings with 35mm rings and the 0 MOA base to start with, and then we're going to add 34mm rings, 30mm rings, 25 MOA and 45 MOA built into it. So it's all coming one by one, step by step. Like I said, the first one's mid to end of July.
That's awesome.
Really, really tight, really tight.
You want to take it off of there one more time?
Oh.
Jesus. You like your camera?
Yeah, I'm breaking in your stuff here,
Also, keep in mind, it's
if it's
all,
Rex proof, it's awesome.
It's all steel and very, very reasonable weight for a steel mount.
It's like, is it on backwards again?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't know. But actually,
Yep. Very solid.
what does this guy over here think? Look at him.
After a thorough and exhausting scientific now, this is like, they've been wanting these things like to be in the movies for years, like the rifle they snap together in the movies. This is, as anybody watching knows, that long range shooting is not my forte. However, I have seen a bunch of scope mounts and stuff like this over the years, and this thing is like really neat. Now, for me, the ability to take the scope off really quick, because if the scope fails, not that this awesome scope would fail, but to be able to, especially on AR-15, to go from no scope to my iron sights in an emergency is critical. So something like this, where there's no lever to bend or anything like that, is a really neat concept. And so that's the way I see it. It's like an emergency parachute if I got to get this thing out of the way to get to my backup iron sight. But it's really neat. It locks up really tight. I didn't know what to think of it. Again, this is not my forte. I was kind of skeptical, but it locks up really tight, and I like, just as far as from my side of things, I don't see anything wrong with it. And the ability to take it off just like that and be able to put it back on, it has to be a very fine re-zero, because we're not taking it off the rail every time. And again, this is not my forte, but just me thinking about how these things work as far as from my perspective, I can't see why this is not awesome. But I have no damn idea.
Yeah,
I'm way out of my league here.
When Val showed that deal to me, I almost pooped myself. I was like, why didn't I even think of that image?
Can you point it this way so we can get the view of the other side?
If we would have thought about it, we still couldn't have made it.
Yeah, that's
I thought a lot of stuff.
We're wishing a lot, but it takes a while to engineer.
So then you change optics, see? It's built like a tank, man.
Backwards.
Oh yeah, see, no, I was doing the
Get
vortex.
it together, man.
That's the distifier.
What a crazy guy. I was testing you guys. Rex mounts the scope backwards. That's the title of that video.
Now because of Rex, he's going to make the pegs are going to be two different sizes. And you can only put the scope on correctly. So.
Hey, that's a good idea right there. Now it truly is, yeah, now it truly is foolproof.
But she hits me, disassembles my leg. So I went to the doctor and he gave me a leg. Now she waits, some of us are dreaming, praying that hope that she kills instead of leaving the name. Cause she's a minefield, she'll pot your body from your soul. Minefield, leave a big smoking hole. Minefield, please don't my leg. Minefield.